Hi everyone, Savannah here, and for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own DIYs for Valentine's Day. I am super excited to show you these amazing DIYs, and I hope you will love them as much as I do. So the first DIY I'm going to show you guys is this cute no-sew pillow, these mason jars, and this sparkly picture frame, and last but not least, I have a heart wreath. I am super excited to be showing you all these DIYs, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you subscribed, and without further ado, let's get started with the video. To make this DIY pillow, first you will need some fiber-fill for your stuffing, some hearts, a hot glue gun, and a super soft microfiber cloth that I found at the dollar store for washing your cars, but this is going to act as our pillow. So the first thing you want to do is take your hot glue gun, and you want to hot glue all the edges except for one, because in that edge you're going to put the stuffing in. So for the next step, we're going to take our stuffing and stuff our pillow. After you have stuffed your pillow, make sure to take your hot glue gun again and glue the last side. Taking my hot glue gun, I'm going to hot glue on my hearts. And this is the pattern I created, and I'm going to glue on my hearts. For this mason jar DIY, you'll need some mason jars and some stickers. Take your stickers and just stick them any way you would like on your mason jars. After you had put stickers on your mason jars, you can fill whatever you would like. And for this first jar, I'm just putting some candy in. To start making your wreath, first you want to take a piece of yarn or a piece of pipe cleaner. It works the same, and it doesn't matter what color it is because you will not see this in the wreath. I'm just tying it around my wreath and then tying it again around my fabric. This is important because you don't want your fabric to be loose. You want it to be secure to the wreath. And then I'm just cutting my yarn here to make sure I don't see too many strings. And then I'm just taking my fabric and going underneath the first part, and then of course just pulling it through the second part. And I'm just going to repeat these steps, and the important thing is making sure that the piece of fabric is around the same height. So I just have them grouped with my fingers, and then again taking the fabric through the first part and then pulling it through the second part. And you just want to repeat these steps here. An additional step here is by taking some stickers or any types of hearts and just hot gluing them around the wreath to add a nice touch. The supplies you'll need include a bag, a picture frame, a Sharpie, and scissors. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you loved all these DIYs as much as I did. And please like this video, and I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Happy Valentine's Day!